Welcome back to the farm. Today we have the September high-end RC Explosion box by Filmington. I've already opened the box to try to maybe save a little bit of time. Here is our pack list for the month and social media contact information on the bottom if you're interested in contacting them. Here are our packs. All right, let's start with 20 Bowman Draft. All right, Alex Thomas, Petey Haplin, Robert Pawson, Freddie Zamora, Shane Drohan, Owen Cassie, Joe Ryan, Blake Rutherford, Jesse Franklin the fifth, Travis Swaggerty, Landon Knack, Luis Heel. We got a O'Neill Cruz Chrome, CJ Van Eyck, Van Eck, Case Williams first Bowman Chrome, let's see here, Adisvin Coffee first Bowman Chrome. Edison, I've never heard. Alex Thomas, Mark Vientos, Alika Williams, Daniel Esping. We got a 20 and 20 Austin Hendrick, Jimmy Glonecki, Nick Ladulo, Austin Wells first Bowman paper, Werner Blakely first Bowman paper, Justin Foscue first Bowman paper, Tristan Casas, Trevor Larnick, Robert Hassel first Bowman paper, Hilito Ramos, Kyle Nicholas, and JJ Goss. All right, let's go with our 23 Bowman jumbo pack. All right, Simeon Woods Richardson rookie, Aaron Judge, we'll put that up on the stand. Jordan Diaz, Juan Soto, Nolan Arenado, Gabriel Moreno rookie, Jazz Chisholm Jr., Freddie Freeman, Vaughn Grissom rookie, Logan O'Hoppe rookie, James Outman rookie, Jonathan Aranda rookie, Julio Rodriguez, Oswald Peraza rookie, Francisco Lindor, Garrett Mitchell rookie, Yofri Solano first Bowman paper, William Lugo first Bowman paper, Chase DeLauder, Jorge Burros, Juan Alonso first Bowman paper, Gabriel Gonzalez first Bowman paper, Martin Gonzalez first Bowman paper, Jet Williams, James Wood, Brady House, Jose Peroza first Bowman Chrome, Ariel Almonte first Bowman Chrome, Dylan O'Ray first Bowman Chrome, Juan Brito first Bowman Chrome, Ryan Clifford first Bowman Chrome, and prospect number 41, Mick, ranked number 41 out of the top 100, Mick Abel. All right, let's go with our 24 Bowman Chrome pack. We have not had a lot in any of these, to be honest with you. Shota Imanaga rookie, we'll put that up on the stand. Hunter Goodman rookie, my first Bowman, Spencer Jones. Leo DeVries first Bowman Chrome, that's one of the top prospects for this set. And Zach DeZenzo first Bowman Chrome. 2015 Topps Chrome. Let's see what we can get out of this. This will be kind of a fun one. Jacob deGrom, Nick Tropiano rookie. We got Adeni Heshavaria and Mike Fultonwitz rookie. All right, let's finish with 22 Bowman Chrome Sapphire. These are cool cards, so maybe we can get lucky and get something good. Victor Acosta, George Kirby rookie. Oh, we got a Bryce Harper purple numbered to 25. And Carson Williams. So that was a pretty underwhelming RC Explosion box, but like I said, that happens sometimes. Keep enjoying your rips, guys, and just remember, you're never too old to be a ripper.